One sunny afternoon, little Lily was walking in the park when she spotted something shiny under a tree. It was an old paintbrush. Curious, she picked it up and ran home. Lily dipped the brush in her paints and drew a bright red flower on her paper. To her surprise, the flower popped right out, real, soft, and smelling sweet. Excited, she quickly painted a little bird. Suddenly, the bird fluttered its wings, sang a happy song, and flew out the window. Lily's eyes sparkled. Wow, this brush is a magic! Then she thought, what if I make something big for myself? She painted a golden crown, but when she reached out, it crumbled. It was just a paper. The brush whispered gently, only drawings made with love, not greed, can come alive. Lily smiled. Understanding the lesson from that day on, she painted flowers, trees, and animals, things that brought happiness to everyone.